Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to update your Android phone to the latest version. Before we dive into the steps, don't forget to check out the link for some awesome software just below the video. Now let's get started. Updating your Android phone to the latest version is actually quite simple. However, keep in mind that the interface you see might look a bit different depending on the brand of your phone. For example, I'm using a Xiaomi phone, so my settings may look different than yours, but the process is the same across most devices. Let's start by opening the Settings app on your phone. From here, scroll down until you find the About Phone section. Depending on your device, this might be at the top or bottom of the settings list. Once you're in the About Phone section, if an update is available for your device, you'll see an option for System Update. Tap on it, and if an update is available, you'll be able to install it right away. If you don't see an update, it could be that your phone doesn't yet have the latest version, or your phone manufacturer hasn't released it for your model yet. Updates are managed by the phone manufacturer, so they roll them out at different times. There's another way to update your phone, though it's a bit trickier. You can manually install updates from the Google Play Store, but it requires installing each update individually. To do this, open the Google Play Store and search for Android System Update. Tap on the app that appears and install it. Just a quick heads up, some users have reported that this method may also install other apps on your phone, so be careful and keep an eye on what gets installed. Let's proceed with the installation. Once it's done, open the app, and you'll have the option to check for updates. You can also see detailed information about your system by tapping on System Info if you want to learn more. From here, you'll be able to check for updates for various parts of the system, including Android Core OS, Google Play Services, and Android System WebView. To check for updates for Android System WebView, just tap on it, and if an update is available, click Update. You can also check for updates for Android Core OS in the same way. If any updates are available, just tap on them to install. In my case, my device is already up to date. And that's how you can check and install the latest updates for your Android device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe through the link in the description. See you in the next video.